All right, going through homework from determinants from last night. You've got number 7, which is find the determinant of. When I wrote it down, I didn't put the feet on it because now it indicates I'm going to find a determinant. And so when I write equals, it makes sense because otherwise matrices don't equal just one number. So I'm going to multiply 10 times 5 in that direction. I'm going to subtract in the other direction 42. And I have 8 for number 7. Number 8 is 0, 5, 3, negative 3. I'm going to do the same thing every time. So please make sure you start here. I've got 0, subtract 15 equals negative 15. Then we have 9. 9 says 9, 7, negative 3, 2, 18. In the other direction, I'm going to subtract negative 21, so that means add, and that gives me 39. And then 10, negative 5, 4, 12, 6. That's negative 30. The other direction, minus 48, equals negative 78. Okay, number 11 is when it starts to get fun. So here we go. Number 11. So 11, I want to do the same thing, find the determinant, note the straight lines, but I won't use all the numbers unless I rewrite them in the form like this. I'm checking all my signs to make sure they're good. Okay, so now, and maybe you want to use a highlighter for this. Maybe that would make it easier to tell what's happening, or even 2 different colors. So I'm going to go 3 diagonal lines and say I multiply across and get negative 2, negative 15 times 12, or 36 times 5, 36 times 5, 180. And this one's 0, so plus 0. Subtract when I go the other direction, and it's totally up to you whether you want to start with 4 or 12. I like to start on the outside. So when I multiply here, and I'm going to use a black line now because my highlighter won't be as clear to see, I get 0. I'm going to do this one and get 0. And here I have 6 times 4, 24. So the minus in the front of the parentheses makes everything in this direction negative or opposite, because I could have a negative on the inside. So it's opposite when you go from right to left. So then I have negative 182, subtract 24. So I'm going to add those together, 6, 0, 206. The determinant is negative 206 for number 11. Okay, so here we go. 12 is already written out and written out long ways. So I've got 1, 5, 2, 2, negative 8, 4, 3, 1, 3. And I check the right signs. So there we go. There's my left to right diagonals. I've got negative 24 plus 4 plus 6, 0. Subtract in the other direction. That's 10 times 3 is 30. Plus 4. And then 6 times negative 8 is negative 48. There's a lot of numbers here, not as many zeros. So let's see, this is negative 20 plus 60 is 40. Subtract, I've got 30 plus 4 is 34 minus 48, or negative 44, negative 14. If I work it that way. And I have 2 negatives, so I'm going to add them together now and get 54 as my determinant. So 12. So we've gone through 2 of them longhand. Hopefully you can check your 13 and 14 with the answers. And if you still have questions, please send me an email. So 13 is negative 34 and 14 is 129. Okay, so that's checking the homework from 3.7 day A, first day.